all these things wey na dey hear yahoo boys no be only those ones wey dey carry laptop o. We have political yahoo. Na I bring like this. This is political yahoo. How old man, adult, go rob? You know wetin be 5 billion naira? No be 5. Ogene. This one, e enter my eye, e tear my eye. This very person. Oh, make I start am well. Babatunde Fowler, na him name be that. Na the chairman for a Federal Inland Revenue Service. Na the chairman be that. Say in thief 5 billion. As we dey talk like this, 5 billion don disappear. And na the same person now wey since 2015 our president Buhari dey say he query am for worsening tax tax revenues. Only yam, e dey worsen all the tax revenue, just dey stress people, dey thief. Since 2015 they don give am query. Wey for 2019 now the officials now they don detain. Even for 2019 na last year be that o, they detain nine people. They detain them because they plenty monies in nairas disappeared. Na so money just dey disappear like say na air. These people they take money like say they drink water, and they move them. E no dey move them. Na so they carry am. As we dey talk like this, they arrest am. Now as we dey talk, 5 billion naira. And person go sit down somewhere, they wonder, say, hey, I've not eaten today. See Nigeria, people they suffer. Now one person big head carry all this money. And they go they send in children abroad because other Nigerians they don't like good things. They don't like good life. Now only your family. Anywhere you are, I even need to know the name of the prison so that I'll pay you a visit. Because you even need slap. How you go thief? Yahoo politicians. Yahoo dey in different levels. No be only those ones where they carry laptop. Oh, na go they see, na go say this one they do Yahoo. We have bigger, senior Yahoos. All these boys, they still they learn. Now these ones be the Yahoo. Now they be crook. 5 billion. Hey. Oh God. Listen. Hey, my people. Any further news from this matter, make una no worry, I go download and come for now. Meanwhile, another news day, bigger one. This one, armed robbers don't upgrade. Now then we they do say they go wait, may evening reach, may everywhere dark. They go strategize, they go plan. For where now? they come out. Some armed robbers self they get certificates. Hello, what do you do for a living? I'm an armed robber. Can I see your papers? They go give you. They get papers. Una they sit down. Armed robbers don't upgrade. This one happen. Hey, Kumasi for market, broad daylight. No be say maybe na evening. You don't the dark small. Broad daylight. Now there this thing happen. Where everybody they market. The robbers sit down on top bike. They drive. Now so they see one man where they come out from bank. Now that one the first attack. Carry money where this man hold. Businessman, he carry then carry money. As they carry that money, now so they start to shoot for air. Oh, see, no be say I like to talk about police people, but police people, you are falling my hand. I am disappointed. Why be say anytime where they need police, they no go see them? Why? Did they swear for you people, or is one ancestral thing? Anytime where something they happen, where they need police, they no go come. And the day where they come, now go say how they go they misbehave. Like say they know they see road, but now them they see pass. See, if you are a police person, you have taken an oath to give your life for your country. And that is how it's supposed to be. All this thing they happen for Kumasi, no police. And so they shoot for air. 4 people, bullet hit. He hit 4 people, but thank God say at least na only 2 die. Una don hear am. na here all the gist dey come from. And no forget, na the Aproko Show be this, and I be your Aproko madam. I go come back with better gist. No forget, subscribe, share this video, and comment. I want to know how the thing dey do you for body. Hey, ladies, we dey suffer. My people, ladies, they try all in the name of love. Wetin love never do people for this life. Love. Hey, they beat one woman. All in the name of marry me. Now by force to marry. I not understand. We women, we get problem. We get serious. No, our problem na follow come. We get serious problem. Hey. Now so we hear say this girl na 29 years old. Anyway, maybe as age no dey on her side. No go to blame am sha. So she dey date this boy. The relationship dey go well. Before you know it na so she carry load move inside man house. How you go move inside man house when man never give you ring? Even your people no even know say una dey. Hey, Jesus Christ. Frustration na bad thing o. Frustration. May you never experience that thing. When person don frustrate, you fit do anything. She carry load enter man house. Her people don't know. The man people too don't know. Now so she carry load enter. Bam. Say, I must marry. As she enter now, so they come they stay. They sleep together. She they cook. You know wetin be our problem, women? We go dey girlfriend state. We don't they act as wives. Who marry you? Everything they do together, and now she dey expect make the man put ring for finger. Haba. If they give you plate of food, make you chop, you don't belle full. They go bring another one, you go still chop. No, nah, be the point where they try make now. The man don't chop. You don't overfeed them all round. Different things. And now you want make wait till you never see where you want. You don't see you finish. You don't chop your food finish. You know, no difference. So him putting a ring on your finger will not make any change. So there's no need for him to marry you. Now so the girl carry load, enter, they come, they leave, do everything together. Now so one day the girl come tell the man, baby, you've not proposed to me, come and propose. The boy vex. If you see beating where this girl receive, I'm not sure say any artist for this life they design person like that. They beat shake gay come up for this girl body. All in the name of marry me. Now by force. No be by force now. I don't understand. No be by force. Ladies, make una try get sense. They don't write am anywhere say if you don't marry you will die. So I don't understand. Make una get sense. I pity am sha. I pity that girl. Now she don't learn lesson. In her next word, now she go even they reject marriage. No, I come against marriage. Now herself, nobody go tell her anything. Now so it be. When you taste something, nobody go teach you again. So make una learn from this one. Make una learn. Women. No be by force to marry. Learn now. Anyhow, I go live una here with this one, because this matter, make I know as una dey feel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like this video. As I talked before, my husband feel dey watch, share and make it see me as I know fine. I too fine. Anyhow, I will see you later.